Hello from the Bureau. I'm climatologist Lynette Bedio.
And I'm hydrologist Robert Pipinich. We're here to discuss the climate and water outlook for November to January. Now Lynn, there's been some rainfall across parts of Australia in recent months. What's it looking like for the rest of the year?
Thanks. So for that November to January period, there's really an increased chance of above average rainfall over much of Australia. We can see those really strong swings towards wetter than average conditions.
Okay, so what's driving that shift towards wetter conditions?
Well, we now have a La Nina established in the tropical Pacific, so we can see those cooler temperatures near South America and those warmer temperatures in the region around Australia, and that brings more moisture into our regions, so that increases the chance of above average rainfall and also the chances of widespread flooding. And we've seen in the last couple of months, we've seen that average to above average rainfall over some parts of the country that have been very dry. Certainly a different situation to what we saw this time last year. So has that started to feed into the soil moisture?
Yeah, if we look at the map for October to date, we have seen an increase in the catchment soil moisture throughout the centre and into the southeast of Australia, including Tasmania. And looking at stream flows, that southeast area is seeing mostly near median along with some high flows for October to December. So near median flows are the majority of forecast flows overall, covering almost half of our locations across Australia. It includes parts of northern Queensland, southwest WA, as well as that southeast corner. Low flows, they're forecast at almost a third of locations, and they're more scattered around the country. So Lynette, what's happening with temperatures?
Well, it's a bit of a mixed signal for the maximum temperatures. So we can see in eastern New South Wales and parts of southern WA, there's an increased chance of cooler than average daytime temperatures, but we see Tasmania an increased chance of warmer than average daytime temperatures. For nighttime temperatures, much of the country has an increased chance of warmer nights over that November to January period.
Okay, thanks Lynette. That's it from us for now. Join us again next month for our climate and water conversation.